Hi there, Mark here again. Welcome to this short little video about the Audi Quattro Rallye A2 body set. This came out this year, I think, this body on the TT02 chassis, and I love the classic rally cars, so this was a must-have for me. So I've been looking to see where it was available in the UK, and apparently it came out in November. I pre-ordered this from Time Tunnel Models in September, and last week it still hadn't come. So my wife phoned up Neil at Time Tunnel, and he explained that although Tamiya was still taking orders against this kit number, this part number, he hadn't had any deliveries. But luckily for me, he said, well, would you mind if I split a TT02 and send you the body set? So I said, yes, please. And so here it is. So yeah, he's split the kit. This is part of the box. Nice photo there of the Audi Quattro body. So let's have a look what we get. These are the instruction set. Basically this will fit any 257 wheelbase Tamiya, or I suppose any other 1/10 kit that's got that wheelbase. And here's the shell. And as you might be able to see, I know it's difficult in this light with a clear shell, but there are no holes drilled in it, which is unusual. Some Tamiya bodies come with the holes drilled, some don't. This one obviously not, but that does mean you could fit it on most 1/10 scale touring car or rally car chassis. So I suppose that's a good point. Another good point with this is that you might be able to see there, my fingers sticking through, the wheel arches are already cut out, which is nice. And this is a good thick piece of Perspex or Lexan. I think it's supposed to be out of a 1mm thick sheet moulding. Obviously when it's pressed it's a lot thinner, but it is quite a sturdy moulding, so I do like that. A beautiful shape. I'll just show you quickly what else we get in this. We get a bit more than with a lot of Tamiya bodies, because this one comes with the light buckets and the spotlights. I'll just get these out the packet. Okay, so I've just got everything out of the packaging so we can see more clearly what we get. So as I said, get the light buckets, which are these for the rear, and these are for the front lights. They do come with the holes for the 5mm LEDs in the front, and also the 3mm for the indicators, I think. And the rear ones come with 5mm for the rear lights, and then you've got, I think it's the stop lights and the indicators. And then you've got these nice chromed 6 spotlights, and as you can see, these do not come with any holes, but it looks like you might well be able to drill a 3mm hole in there and fit your own LEDs. I might look at doing that in the future, but so yeah, there's a possibility of doing that. And with those come the light covers, so the clear lenses, which is nice. So yes, you could probably make those spot lamps functional. So that's a nice bonus with the buckets, but you don't get the LEDs with this kit. You also get the stoppers for the LEDs. So those they're called stoppers. They stop the LEDs coming out of the light buckets, so you get a full kit of those, 3mm and 5mm. We've got the rear wing here, which is hard ABS, and the 2 wing mirrors. They'll need to be painted black. I think some of this needs to be painted black also. You get your full set of R-clips and screws for attaching it to your body. Sorry, for attaching your body to your chassis, should I say, and some double-sided tape. That is for attaching the light buckets to the inside of the shell there. We'll get a nice full set of window masks, and also included our masks for the light buckets. That might be a bit tricky fitting those into the corners, but we'll have a look at that when we get around to it. And then you've got a beautiful full set of decals or stickers. So this is the Auxilary Sheet, where we've got the different numbered liveries we can put on, and the sponsors decals. And this looks like this might be quite a tricky sticker job, I think, because some of these are really quite large. But yeah, these are not pre-cut. I do actually prefer them to be like this, so they're not cut. You can get a much nicer cut line with a pair of scissors than the ones that are cut. They've normally got like a 1 or 2 mil overlap of the clear plastic around, which you generally have to snip off. So yeah, it should be nice and tricky putting those on, but something to do in the wet weather. So here's the instruction set showing you where to cut the shell out. Obviously it's showing cutting the wheel arches, but they're already cut. If we look further down here, got the painting instructions. Now you need to paint this PS1, which is Tamiya white, and then it says a PS5 black, but that is just for the very front of the grille. You can see, so it's just, I don't know if this is coming out on the video, just this part here. To do that, it's showing in these instructions to mask off the whole of the inside of the body shell after you've put the window masks on. Now that looks a bit laborious to me. I think what I might do is have a go at just hand painting with a brush that portion of the front there, which is this part in black. Well, we'll see, but I think that's what I'll have a go at doing to save all that masking. On the other side shows you where to apply those lovely stickers, and you've got painting the rear wing and how to attach the rear wing with the 2 screws. Then we've got attaching the light buckets. Again, it's the double-sided tape to the front and back. I think I will be putting some sealant around these because I ran my Lancer, which has got light buckets, in the wet, and all the water and dirt seeped through behind the buckets and clouded the lenses up. So yeah, I might be sealing those up. Here we have the front spots. They need to be painted black at the back over that chrome, and they screw onto the front there, and then just how to fit it to the shell. So hopefully I'll be getting on with this in the next couple of weeks. Hopefully I'll put a video up of how I get on with this, and hopefully it'll be on my XV01 or my TT02 very soon. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you on the next one, and happy Christmas or happy holidays, whichever you celebrate. Hope to see you soon. Bye.